Introduction to Chemistry. What is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space. For example, an ice block, a solid sphere, and a glass of water occupies space, and hence they are considered as matter. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter, changes undergone by the matter, and energy associated with the change. The basic understanding of chemistry helps us to learn other sciences like physics, biology, astronomy, engineering, and medicine, etc. Discovery of silicon chips in computers, drugs to treat deadly diseases like AIDS, development of fuel cells and voltaic cells, exploring energy sources like coal or petrol is possible only by understanding chemical sciences. In order to identify a human being, properties like height, weight, color, etc. are used. Similarly, to identify a substance, two properties are essential: physical properties and chemical properties. The properties shown by a solid which don't interact with other substances are called physical properties. For example, softness of solid sodium, its white color, and melting point of solid are few examples of physical properties. While properties which changes into other substances are called chemical properties. For example, rusting of iron is a result of chemical reaction. The chemical composition of rust is hydrated ferric oxide, which has a general formula Fe2O3 x number of water molecules. What is a physical change? A substance is said to undergo a physical change when its physical form changes without changing its chemical composition. For example, in melting of ice, solid ice is converted into liquid water. That is, physical form changes from solid state to liquid state. While both solid and liquid forms of water have got the same chemical composition of H2O, that is, their chemical composition remains constant. Hence, melting of ice is a physical change. Similarly, perspiration from human skin is an evaporation process. In this process, on exposure to sunlight or heat or exercise, liquid sweat changes into vapor form. This process is called as perspiration. Hence, only physical state of sweat changes from liquid form to vapor form. Perspiration is a physical change. A substance is said to undergo a chemical change or chemical reaction when it is converted into another different substance having different chemical composition. For example, decomposition of reactant water by electrolysis forms products hydrogen and oxygen. Here, reactant water and products hydrogen and oxygen gases have got different chemical compositions. Hence, decomposition of water is a chemical reaction. Similarly, rusting is a chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, iron atom shown as Fe, combines with oxygen molecule in the presence of water, undergoes chemical reaction, and thereby forms a different product, hydrated ferric oxide, Fe2O3.